Total Productive Maintenance. SMC believes in the tangible business benefits of total productive maintenance, or TPM for short. As a leading manufacturer, partner and solution provider in both electric and pneumatic automation technology, we are helping our customers achieve the highest levels of productivity with TPM. TPM is based on 8 pillars. Targeted improvements. SMC supports you by using the 5S method to improve your workplaces. Within the production department, its target is to achieve 0 defective products. Independent maintenance. We train your employees so that they can perform maintenance tasks as part of their daily work. Planned maintenance. By recognizing problems early on, machine downtime can be avoided. Specific further training. Training your employees to know how and know why helps achieve efficient machine operation. Proactive maintenance. By monitoring and detecting early warning signs, machine maintenance can be fast-tracked and costly downtime is negated. Maintain the highest quality. SMC's high-quality equipment ensures trouble-free production. Effective corporate TPM. Process improvements and use of partnerships guarantee sustainability and reduce total operating costs. Safety. The environment and health are the most important pillars. In this regard, machine safety is vital for SMC, as is compliance with environmental specifications and the preservation of health. Continual improvement of production and processes is part of our DNA. Implementing these 8 pillars guarantees comprehensive productive maintenance and helps you realize effectiveness down the line. We will support and accompany you along this path